In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook Marketplace messages. If you want to clear out old buyer or seller conversations, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. Just keep in mind that Facebook's layout can vary a little depending on your app version, so some buttons may be labeled slightly differently. To get started, open Facebook and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap the Marketplace icon. This will take you to the Marketplace section, where your buying and selling activity is organized. Next, open your Marketplace messages by tapping the messenger or chat icon inside Marketplace. This is where you'll find your conversations with buyers or sellers. If you've been active on Marketplace for a while, you may see several message threads here, so take a moment to find the one you want to remove. When you've found the right conversation, tap to open it. After that, look at the top of the chat screen and tap either the person's name or the three-dot menu. This opens the conversation options where Facebook places chat management settings. From there, choose delete chat or delete conversation, depending on the version of Facebook or Messenger you're using. Once you select it, confirm the deletion when prompted. After you confirm, that conversation should be removed from your inbox. If you don't want to delete the entire conversation and only want to remove one specific message, there's another option. Press and hold the message you want to remove. A menu should appear with options like delete or unsend if that feature is available for that message. Tap the option you want, then follow the confirmation prompt to finish removing it. When you're done, go back to your Marketplace inbox and check that the conversation is no longer visible. This is a quick way to confirm that the deletion worked properly. One important thing to remember is the difference between deleting a chat and unsending a message. Deleting a chat usually removes the conversation only from your inbox. It does not necessarily remove the conversation from the other person's account. If you use unsend, Facebook may give you additional choices such as removing the message for everyone or just for you, depending on what features are available. So that's how to delete Facebook Marketplace messages. If the exact wording looks a little different on your screen, don't worry, that's normal. Just look for the closest match in the chat options and you should be able to clear the conversation without any trouble.